from where you germinate. This is where you begin your life story. This is the center which connects you to the anterior heavens or the whole of the outside universe. So we say Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande. Okay. Everything that is happening outside is directly connected as an information flow which goes through our navel into the kidneys, and through the kidneys, through our breath, into the lungs as an information or a resonance, from the lungs through the blood into the heart, through the heart to electrical sparks, the love dub. Okay, the first one further filters away unwanted resonances or information. The second one pumps it out through the blood back to all the organs as a new set of information flow. Okay. नहीं समझ में बहुत ज़्यादा क्लिनिकल है, don't worry. अपने को एग्जाम नहीं देने का है. This is just for your information. So this is how things work. Okay. 21 times with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And can anybody of you think? Try thinking. विचार कोई भी चालू हो गया? Try to think. No, try. Background music चालू. Vinod, you are new. You are new. Can you try to think about any reality beyond this peripheral vision that you have?
Not feeling like to think anything.
It's blocked, like I'm pushing it, but it keeps coming back.
This is what you call as Kevali Kumbha. This is what you call experience of Samadhi. Practically. Nirvichar. Absolute nirvichar. I want you to try and think. I'm talking to you. I'm trying to instigate you. Try and think. In which case, what is the reality? Do you know for sure that anything outside of this compound wall really exists? क्या पता सुनामी फ्लड अर्थक्वेक आके पूरा चला गया होगा, बम्बई भी चला गया होगा. Correct. Then why do we act with so much conviction, with so much hope, and we hold on to everything as if there is going to be a tomorrow? As if there is going to be a tomorrow to even your problems. Why you are not breathing fully till here, and that is why you are either stuck in the past or in the future. So if you are doing only a upper lobe breathing, which is what most people are stuck at times, तो जो बोलते हैं ना वो भागता हुआ भूत जो रहता है ना, enthupetlets, all futuristic, positive thinking, you know, motivation only creates monkeys, it doesn't create lions whatsoever. Okay, wisdom is what creates real lions. They are just doing stressed or thoriac breathing. Okay. अब साथ में ना नाड़ी भी समझाते जाता हूँ. ठीक है. Randomly think. It's been good 4-5 minutes. Something as simple as this. Do you need to do 56 asanas? Simple. Simplicity is king, but people do not understand this. The most difficult thing in this world is to understand simplicity. ये दोनों समझ में आ गए? इसका फोटोग्राफ ले लिया तुमने? मैं निकालूं?